So, sa problem number 13 na po tayo. Yung problem number 13 natin is to find the area bounded by xy equals to 7, xy minus 1 plus 3x equals to 0, x plus 1 equals to 0, and x equals to negative 4. So, isulat muna natin yung mga given. xy is equals to 7, xy minus 1 plus 3x equals to 0, x plus 1 equals to 0, and x equals to negative 4. So, yung una muna natin gagawin is to rearrange these equations para mas smooth yung pag-plot natin mamaya. So, kapag i-arrange natin yan, magiging x equals to 7 over y. So, kapag i-plot po natin yan, yung magiging itsura ng graph ay ganito. Let's say this is the coordinate plane. So, yan po. Ito po yung x equals to 7y natin na graph. Next naman po is yung xy minus 1 plus 3x equals to 0. So, yung graph naman po niyan is parang ganito. So, sorry. Dapat nag-overlap to. Ayan po. Yan po. Then, yung x plus 1 po is equals pa rin siya sa x equals to negative 1. So, say, ito yung negative 1. So, andito yung line. Tapos, yung x equals to negative 4 ay isa ring vertical line. So, kapag nandito yung negative 4, yan to po yung graph niya. So, kapag i-analyze po natin siya, kapag kukunin natin yung area, kailangan natin siyang himayin sa dalawa. Una, yung area 1, which ito, kasi yung top niya at yung bottom ay iba sa area 2 dahil magkakabaliktad sila. So, ito yung area 2 natin. So, pero, bago natin kunin yung area, kailangan muna natin ma-determine yung point of intersection nito. So, yung point of intersection, say, xy minus 1 plus 3x equals to 0, arrange po natin siya maging xy equals to 1 minus 3x, divide both sides of the equation by x, so y equals to 1 minus 3x over x. Sa kabila naman is xy equals to 7, so magiging y equals to 7 over x. I-equate natin sila as one equation, so magiging 7 over x equals to 1 minus 3x over x. Cross multiplication, 7x over x equals to 1 minus 3x. Cancel out x, 7 equals to 1 minus 3x. So, kunin natin yung value ng x dito, magiging 3x equals to negative 6. Divide both sides of the equation by 3, then the value of x equals to negative 2. So, kung may value na tayo ng x, substitute na lang natin dito para ma-determine yung value ng y. So, y equals to 7 over x, where x equals to negative 2, y equals to 7 over negative 2, or negative 7 half. So, yung ordered pair natin para sa intersection points ay negative 2 and negative 7 half. Yung next naman na gagawin na natin is proceed na tayo sa pag-determine sa area. So, kapag ito yung area 1 at ito naman yung area 2, so magiging A total is equals to area 1 plus area 2. Since dito, kailangan muna nating hanapin yung area 1. So, yung pagkuha sa area 1 is equals to the integral of y top minus y bottom dx from A to B, yung boundary po natin. So, magiging equals to the integral of, so ito po yung top ng area 1. So 7y or 7y or 7 all over x. So magiging 7 over x minus yung bottom po natin ay yung equation na ito. So ito po yung equivalent ng equation na yun. So magiging 1 minus 3x all over x dx from negative 4 to negative 2. So magiging area 1 is equals to the integral of 7 minus 1 plus 3x all over x dx from negative 4 to negative 2. So area 1 is equal to the integral of 6 plus 3x all over x dx from negative 4 to negative 2. So magiging the integral of, hatiin po natin siya, magiging the integral of 6 over x dx from negative 4 to negative 2 plus 3 times the integral of x dx from makakancel out yung x. So magiging 3, the integral of 3 dx from negative 4 to negative 2. So yung magiging sagot dito ay 6 ln of x plus 3x from negative 4 to negative 2. So isa-substitute na lang natin yung mga values. So 6 times ln of negative 2 plus 3 times negative 2 minus the quantity of 6 ln of negative 4 plus 3 times negative 4. So kapag i-input po natin to sa calculator, yung makukuha nating value ay 1.84 units square. So yan po yung area 1 natin. So sunod naman na gagawin natin is yung area 2. So yung area 2 is parehas pa rin dun sa formula natin. Yung pinagkaibaan lang is yung mababaliktad yung top at saka bottom. Pansin natin dito na yung top natin ay yung 1 minus 3x all over x at yung bottom naman natin ay 7 all over x. So pagpapalitin lang natin, magiging integral of 1 minus 3x all over x minus 7 over x times dx from negative 2 to 1. Yun na po yung negative 2 to negative 1. Yun na po yung bagong boundary natin. So magiging area 2 equals to the integral of negative 3x minus 6 all over x dx from negative 2 to negative 1. Further simplify, magiging the integral of negative 3 minus negative 6 over x dx from negative 2 to negative 1. So magiging the value of area 2 equals to the integral of negative 3 dx from negative 2 to negative 1 minus the integral of 6 over x dx from negative 2 to negative 1. So kapag kukunin natin yung value po nito, magiging negative 3x minus yung value na itong 6 over x ay 6 ln of x from negative 2 to negative 1. So substitute lang po natin yung mga value, magiging negative 3, the quantity negative 3 times negative 1 minus 6 ln of negative 1 minus the quantity negative 3 times negative 2 minus the 6 ln of negative 2. So pag i-input natin to sa calculator na naman, yung makukuha nating value ay 1.16 units square. So ayan po yung value ng area 2 natin. Since yung kailangan natin is yung total area ng bounded region ito, so i-add po natin yung area 1 at area 2. So, lagay na lang po natin dito. A total is equals to, yung area 1 natin ay 1.84 units squared. So, 1.84 units plus yung area 2 natin is 1.16 units square. So, yung area total natin ay 3 units square. Yan na po yung total area ng bounded region ng apat na line. Apat na curve. 3 units squared.